In this tutorial you will learn how to create a basic cloth simulation in Blender. Add a mesh cube. Press Shift+A and select Mesh Cube. Press Shift+A again and select Plane. Move the plane above the cube using the G key and place it above the cube. Click the cube. Go to the Physics Properties tab. Click on Collision to add the collision property to the cube. Select the plane again. Click on Cloth to add a cloth simulation to the plane. At this point you won't see much happening, but that's okay for now. Select the plane again. Once the plane is selected, right-click on it and choose Subdivide. This will divide the plane into smaller sections which will provide more detail for the cloth simulation. Increase the number of cuts to add more detail. The more cuts you add, the more complex and realistic the cloth simulation will be. Smooth the cloth, select the plane. Once the cloth simulation is set up, right-click the plane and choose Smooth. Add a subdivision surface modifier. To do this, go to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier and select Subdivision Surface. This will further smooth the cloth and give it more detail. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe.